Forget your flashy RGB setups and clicky mechanical switches. This isn't for gaming. This unassuming piece of tech, the CP7021-1001-10 membrane keyboard touchpads by CDMXMVUR, might just be the unsung hero of countless industrial setups. It's a fascinating look at how specialized design truly shines when function takes absolute priority. Right out of the gate, one notices its utilitarian aesthetic. The one-color designation isn't just a choice, it's a statement. This isn't about blending into a stylish desk. It's about performing flawlessly in environments where dust, spills, and constant use are the norm. The membrane keyboard aspect immediately brings to mind durability. Unlike traditional keyboards with exposed switches, the membrane design offers superior resistance to contaminants. Imagine a factory floor, a control panel, or even a medical device where hygiene and resilience are paramount. This is where the CP7021-1001-10 truly finds its stride. The keys themselves, while not offering the deep travel of a mechanical board, provide a surprisingly consistent tactile response for a membrane. It's a quiet, deliberate press, designed for accuracy rather than speed typing, which makes perfect sense for its intended applications. But what truly elevates this unit are the integrated touchpads. In many industrial or embedded systems, a traditional mouse is simply impractical or too fragile. The touchpads here offer a precise and robust alternative. Navigating menus, adjusting parameters, or interacting with graphical interfaces becomes intuitive and reliable. One might initially worry about responsiveness with integrated touchpads, but CDMXMVUR seems to have engineered these for dependable performance. They feel accurate, allowing for fine control without frustrating lag or jitter. It's a testament to thoughtful engineering that combines two essential input methods into a single, cohesive, and incredibly durable package. The build quality, as expected from a product designed for demanding environments, feels solid. There's a reassuring heft to it, suggesting it can withstand the rigors of continuous operation. It's almost refreshing to see a product so dedicated to its purpose, where every design choice serves a clear functional goal. The CP7021-1001-10 isn't trying to be everything to everyone. It's expertly crafted for a specific, critical niche. For anyone needing a reliable, robust, and integrated input solution in challenging conditions, this CDMXMVUR offering presents an incredibly compelling and powerful option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.